Hi, this is Corey with Ron's Window and Florida Contract Automated Shading here in my hometown of Gainesville, Florida. Working with some Colease double roller shades today. This is kind of like a silvery type pattern. I forget what the exact pattern is, but it's got some nice little slubs. What I've done with the mechanical system is we order this as manual. We've got one Somfy Sonas 30 right here, and then we've got a coupler here. That little white ring you see detach, it splits apart, and we're able to move these up and down in 1/16 of an inch increments. I've got another coupler right here, and there's a little collar up there, and you tighten the collar and that holds the fine adjuster in place. It's some German hardware that I've gotten used to adapting on some of these systems. Anyhow, really cool project. We're just working with a Telus. We're gonna do a MyLink tomorrow and finish patching and painting and whatnot. But our My position is right there. So again, that's down, My, and then up. The Valance has a fabric covered insert that is the same color as the fabric that is on the shade. This is in the cassette. I think it's called a cassette 80. It's not the large headrail, but the smaller headrail that Rollies makes. So this is kind of what I call a hybrid shade. I've got some Colease fabric from Europe. We've got headrail from Rollies, some components from Germany, and a French motor, all to make a really awesome system. The couplers on that one are friction free, so it doesn't put any extra load on the motor, and that allows us to run a fairly small low voltage motor on such a big shade, and we can get about 4 or 5 duty cycles out of it. So that one's tucked up, so they're all up. So go ahead and run them down again. We made spacers and got the fabric about 1/8 of an inch off of the molding. The bottom rail bumps on it a little bit, but that's kind of by design, just so that the fabric is not sticking way out. And then from the kitchen vantage point, it's not way off the wall either. So really nice application. Anyway, this is Corey with Ron's Window, Florida Contract Shading, bringing you Colease shades, motorized with Somfy motors. Have a nice day. We should be getting to the end here in a second.